let's continue with your addition in an array. And you have entered one matrices here. Okay, I will change the dimensions here so that it will not be more complex to you. As we know, if we are going to add two matrices, then my requirement is two matrices here. Okay, first is A matrices, then is B matrices. Then I have to store the result in some another matrices. I will use C matrices. This will be similar to as you are going to find the addition of two number as int C equal to A plus B. You have to initialize three variables as you are going to find the add of two numbers. Similarly, if you are going to find the addition of matrices, I require variable A, variable B, and variable C. This is in the two-dimensional format, so I am going to declare it with their sizes. Okay. Firstly, till here, I have declared or initialized the variable A array. So I'm going to give B matrices. Here I will remove the code. I have given the maximum row size, maximum column size. This is to input your A matrices. The code that we will write to enter over B matrices. I will use the same loop, same row conditions, same column conditions. You can change the row and column conditions. If you are going to change the row and column conditions, you have to think in your mind logically that whether it is possible in mathematics that addition of 3 by 2 matrices, 4 by 3 matrices, whatsoever is the condition in your mathematics, same condition will be implied here. Okay, then is C in B I J. By the same way, your elements will be get entered. I'm not going to display this A matrices and B matrices element. I just want the addition of these two elements. So I will use for loop again for my C matrices. As I have told you, if you are clear with how to declare your two-dimensional array, how to display your two-dimensional array, your matrices problem will be get easily resolved. You have to just enhance it. J equal to 0, J is less than C, J plus plus. Here I am going to find the sum. So I will write Cij equal to Aij plus Bij and C out. My result is in C matrices, so I'm going to display only C matrices, C out and L. Going to close it. Let's find whether your program is working or not. Errors are there, invalid directions are there. Which type of invalid directions? Let's see. Okay, this is with this problem that if when I have declared the B matrices, I forget to put one square bracket here. That was an error. Let's compile it again. Again, multiple declaration of I. Let's find out where it has been declared. Multiple declaration of C. Okay, let's find out where it. Okay, here I am writing C matrices. Here I am writing C as a variable. I have to change this name of C matrices. Let's take it as sum. Wheresoever you use C matrices, use some variable. Let's save it, then compile it. Now there is no any error. Let's run the code. First is maximum row size. This row size will work for A matrices as well as your B matrices. Then is maximum column size is 2. 2 by 2, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the elements that I have entered for A matrices. Then I have to give elements for B matrices 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now my result should be 6, 8, 10 and 12. This is my addition result. Okay. How this is working, I will enhance the program so that you can easily understand. Here I will just copy the code and going to place here before your B matrices. Here instead of C in, I am going to display your A matrices first. Again, I will display your B matrices. Here I will make some changes. Instead of C in, I will use C out B matrices. The coding is not so tough in this. Just you have to think where you have to follow which code. Okay. Then I will compile it. There is no any error. Let's run the code. Enter row size is 2, column size is 2. Enter the elements of first matrices 1, 2, 3, 4. Your A matrices will be get displayed. Now is 5, 6, 7 and 8. Your elements are 5, 6, 7, 8 and result is. Let's clear it more by writing more. Here I will write when I am going to C in. Let's make a statement. When you are going to enter your A matrices element, write enter A matrix elements. Then where you are going to see your B matrix element, write there one statement, that is enter B matrix elements. Where you are getting your result, write down result. Let's run this code. There is no any error again. Let's run this code. 2 column size, 2 row size. Now it's displaying enter A matrix element. Now you are clear with 1, 2, 3, 4. It says as I have used this in a loop, so I'm getting this for the 4th time. You can put it after before the loop, so you will get only single time. I will use 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm again using it in a loop, so I'm getting to be displayed the 4 times here. Okay, the result is this. You can put all the C out statement before your looping. Okay, if you are use this statement before your loop, that means it will be here, then you won't get any sort of error. Let's put the same program into some code that is called switch case. Just make it simple. I don't want any statement here. Let's run this the simple way. Let's compile it once. There is no one error. Let's put the whole code in a switch case. How you will put it? Go to the top of your code, source code. Here, write one statement that is called cout. Enter your choice. If I'm saying enter your choice, that means you have to give your choice here. I will take it as ch variable and will take as a character variable of choice here. So you understanding how to use character in a switch case, I will mark it as a character data type. Okay, choice is a character data type. Here I will use one statement that is before the choice, a display statement cout, press 1 for addition, cout, press 2 for subtraction, cout. I will not extend it except these two choices. Now is the case. I will enter row size, column size, then I will use switch here and put the whole code of under the switch. Then I make one case as case A. Then instead of 1, I will write press A for add, press B for subtraction. Here I am using character, so I have to mark in a single quotes. Then this is the starting of my case, where your case is going to end. Put break here, then end the case, then there will be one default statement should be there in your switch case. This is wrong choice. Then you will close your switch here. Right? Let's compile it first to find out undefined symbol ch. Okay, here I have used the choice. I have to use ch here. Fine. Then compile it. Then run this. It says press A for addition, add, press B for subtraction, enter your choice. I said A because I haven't made any case till now for B. So enter row size is 2, column size is 2. Now I have to enter the matrices 1, 2, 3, 4 first matrices, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the another matrices, and the result is here. You can extend it by making another case as case B. You can use the entire code. Let's take a direct condition here so that will be easy for you. This will be your case B. In the case B, you will again write your for loop that will work for your I. Under the for loop, you will iterate your J. As you have entered your row and columns and iterate the values. Similarly, by the same way, you will enter your I matrix, A matrices, then you will enter your B matrices, then you will perform the subtraction. Okay, I'm not going to enhance it. You have to complete this program. Okay, to let me complete this. To enhance this code, I will use easy way, that is copy paste the code. I have entered the matrices A, then I will enter the matrices B. I'm not going to display it, just I'm going to perform a direct operation of subtraction here. Here I have entered the matrices A, matrices B, then I will use Cout Aij minus Bi. Fine. Let's compile it. There is no any error. Let's run the code. Enter your choice. I said B is my choice. Enter row size, enter column size, enter the elements. I will use 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer should be 4, 4, 4, and 4. This is my answer. I haven't used break there, so I'm getting wrong choice along with it. Let's use the break here to break the case. Let's run it again. I will use B as a choice and size is of row is 2, column is of 2. Let's take the value 10, 8, 9, 7. Another value is 1, 2, 3, and 4. My answer should be 9, 6, 6, and 3. This is my answer. Similarly, I will give a choice which is for addition. 2 and 2 is the column and row size. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is of the A matrices. Then is 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is your B matrices and result is 6, 8, 10, 12. Similarly, you can enhance it. You will make case C and you will write your transpose code. In the transpose code, you have to exchange rows by columns. The values of rows will be get exchanged by your columns. Okay, and vice versa. You will enhance it, and then at the end you will put break here. Similarly, you will write your multiplication by making case D.